Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. In front of us here today, we have aluminum loading ramps. This is a 2-pack and these are up to 1,700 pound capacity. The company does sell it in a 1-pack as well if you just have a motorcycle, but the 2-pack is very handy for ATVs, riding lawnmowers, etc. Each piece is 7.5 feet, and again, it's 2 within this package here for, again, 1,700 pounds. Now, just like all my videos, before we do get this out, top link in the description box below will be these exact same loading ramps where you guys can read more about them and pick them up yourself after the video is done. Let's get them out and show you some examples. Very nicely packaged as well. Again, these are aluminum, and so these are going to be a lot lighter than your grandpa's old school wooden ones for sure, or steel ones for that matter. Now, each ramp comes with its own strap. You're going to have a strap right here. We're going to take a look at that in just a second here. And it's a push button strap right here, but that again is just a little buckle push down strap here with, of course, the other end here. There are 2 of them for the 2-pack. Safety straps here. So these are meant to secure to the ramp for safety. They also provide a pair of gloves. And if you are wondering, folded up completely, it is 12 inches by 45.8 inches, and fully extended is 12 inches by 90 inches. For storage, you do have a little Velcro area here that slips in here that keeps that nice and shut if you're going to have that in your van and you don't want that undoing for some reason or up against your wall, etc. And right here you have some very nice rubber coated fingers, we're going to call them right here. That portion goes in your truck bed or van, and then this goes, of course, down below on the ground. Just like this here, as we can see with both of our ramps here. Now again, 1,700 pounds total for both ramps, 850 pounds per each ramp here. So down here, obviously, is on the ground, going up into the back of the truck. You do have a very slight little rim edge to it. It's not much, so you definitely want to make sure, especially with a riding lawnmower or an ATV, you want to make sure that you're doing it safely and correctly. And also, if you look at the ramp here, you'll notice a very slight little bow here, and then it goes straight. So at the very top here, it kind of curves just a little bit, as we can see right there. And the safety straps hook onto the ramp and then go to the bumper, so it holds it into place a little bit more secure, just for a little added protection there. Alrighty, okay, I wish I had an ATV to show you that particular application, but I have my van here. So this is a great little circumstance example here. I have a couple of different items here. I have an e-bike, which can be very, very heavy, depends upon the e-bike. With those batteries, it's a pretty beefy bike. So we're gonna go ahead and roll it up the ramp, and then I have a small little dirt bike here. Obviously need to put it in neutral, and we'll go ahead and show you here. But as you can see, van, this is your typical work van with some beefy tires on it. So it's raised up probably similar height-ish to the white truck we did see. The white truck is also a work truck, so it was pretty high as well. So this is showing you an cement asphalt application as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Super easy. You know how tough that was when I first picked up that thing, putting that in a little small compact car kind of hatchback thing? That was really easy. Well, I'll tell you what, that passes my test for sure. Yeah, it flexed just a little bit, but that's expected. As I was walking down this one right here, this one was almost like a ladder being able to get inside of it. It didn't budge at all coming out this way. Very firm. Again, use your safety straps if you want to do that. Tie that to your bumper. But overall, being able to put an e-bike in and a small dirt bike without having to strain my muscles. And now let's see how it is with unloading. All right, unloading was very good, but I did notice that when I was trying to back it up, if your tire kind of bumps into those rubber teeth there, it might push it a little bit over, so just make sure you're lined up correctly. But once you get over that first initial rubber teeth, backing it up, easy breezy. But if I were doing a riding lawnmower or an ATV, I would definitely have the safety straps so those don't move back and forth on you as you're unloading or potentially loading. And then you can see how small and compact the design is once they are folded in half. Again, this is a work van, and we're not even shoved all the way up to the wheel well, and we got plenty of room in there, as we can see. Of course, you can stand them upright and slip them on down the side of your truck, next to your spare tire, whatever you want to do. That is a big thumbs up in my book. Ladies and gentlemen, this passes my test. Once again, top link in the description box below will be these exact same 1,700 pound dual 2-set loaders. Also look at their single if you just need a single as well. Same link will take you to both those. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I am making a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as house DIY tutorial videos, tech-related tech videos, and more. I will see you on the next video. Once again, top link in the description box below. We'll see you on the next one.